back to the channel. My name is Emma Gamer, and today I'm playing this cat game at school. We're outside right now.
Yeah, with Meredith.
And I'm with Meredith Awesome Kitten.
Oh man.
Yeah. I'm with Meredith Koenig. Yay!
Yes, I am the teacher of this anime.
Yeah, I'm
school.
just. Oh my gosh, a black kitty! Black kitty! It's a great tail! It's a great tail! Oh my gosh!
Where did they had a Meredith?
Okay, free mode. I want free mode. I'm gonna go on free mode.
That's
No,
nice.
not Love Live. I hate Love Live. I literally played that game and it was so boring. It was so boring and hard. I don't care.
Dun, 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 dun.
Whee!
I smell gum.
My job today is to.
Why does this bathroom have no mirrors? Why?
Yeah, because I'm awesome. Whee! I believe I can fly. Time to break you.
Yes.
And time to break you.
Oh.
Yes.
Why was you guys heading towards the door now? They look good to never mind.
Ooh, a big vase. Ow, ow, it's hurting
Stop
me.
glitching.
Owie. Gee, you evil lamp. You evil vase. Hiya. This is what you get. Your friends get to die because you hurt me. You dumb. Ooh, what is this? I see more stuff.